Hi Techies, a pleasure to have you. Okay, so today I'll be showing you how the interview prep works within the ProDevsAI solution 1.0 version. So what the interview prep does is it helps you prepare for every interview scenarios or most interview scenarios. So I'll just dive right into it. So after subscribing right now, on your ProDevs platform, you typically would have the interview prep option available for you. Now you can simply click on start an interview prep and take the JD or job description of choice and add it here. Or you could simply go to the job that we have within the ProDevs platform itself and carry out like a prep interview for yourself. So for example, for this kind of job, I can simply do a prep interview from here and it automatically pick up the information for me. And if I also have the Chrome extension from the ProDevsAI suite, whatever job I see on job boards, I can simply also access the same features rather than having to copy the JD to simplify things. Okay, so let's just dive right into it. So I click on the next one, I click on the interview type, general, technical or negotiable, right? I click on general, and I also click on the tone. I want it to be friendly tone, and I click on start interview. Now once I do this, the interview will then commence. Let's give it some time. It's currently loading right now, and yes, it starts. So it says to ask me 5 questions, and let me start the interview.
Hi, William. Welcome to our interview preparation session. As you embark on this journey to a successful interview, we would like to share some guidelines with you.
So I can simply, continue the audio, or I can also start using the button here to now start responding to the questions that it asked me. So on the screen here, I can see, hello, William, all of this, you applied for an Android developer role. I know this from your CV, you have substantial experience in sales and customer service, but there's very little mention of a technical background. So currently the CV I'm using has more of sales and customer care. Especially with regards to Android development. Can I express myself and tell them how the skills I have relates to Android development? So I can simply start the response by saying, hi, my name is William. I have experience in Java, and C++. I've had to do a couple of things or build a couple of applications in Java, C++, and I can simply go on and just stop the recording. Once I stop the recording, I can simply ask the next question. So the AI analyzes my response and then gives me back, a response, based on the information.
Thank you for your response, William. However, your response was quite general and didn't provide specific details about your experience with Java, C++, or examples of the applications you've built. Next question. Could you share some specific projects that you have worked on that involve the use of Java or C++ in Android app development? And can you also describe the role?
And it will just keep asking me more and more questions. I can go on, and at the end of the interview, it would obviously give me a report of my interview. So I'm going to pause the video right now, conduct the entire interview from end to end, and show you what the response will look like. Okay, so my interview is done right now, and it gives me a performance. So communication I scored 5, leadership not observed, technical knowledge 5, attitude 8. My CV is currently placed at 6/10 on a scale of 1 to 10. Job description to CV is 5, so I really scored about 50%. And it says in discussions, William's focus was on Android development. And it just gives me general feedback, and areas I can improve upon. So this helps you, see what a HR manager thinks about, typically when they have an interview with you, and you do more of these interviews, prep interviews, and get better results and know how to consistently improve yourself. Thank you.